Ready to rock your gym sessions? Let's dive into 5 essential tips just for beginners. First up, set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve, like losing weight, building muscle, or getting fit. Clear goals keep you motivated and on track. Next, start slow and learn proper form. Begin with lighter weights and basic exercises. Good form prevents injuries and targets the right muscles. Don't be shy. Consider a personal trainer. Third, create a balanced routine. Mix cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. This combo boosts heart health, builds muscle, and improves flexibility. Balance is key. Fourth, always warm up and cool down. A good warm-up preps your body, while cooling down helps recover. Think light cardio and gentle stretching. Finally, stay consistent and listen to your body. Work out regularly, but rest when needed. Your body knows best. Follow these tips, and you'll be on the road to gym success. Stay positive, stay patient, and enjoy the journey to a healthier, stronger you.